Good morning, students. Today's topic is disposal of dead body. I am Dr. Pooja Sharma, Assistant Professor of Department of Swasthata. Now we are start that disposal of dead body. इसको शव विनाश विधि भी कहते हैं और ये इसका इंट्रोडक्शन है that death what is death is cessation of life and uh, importance of what is importance of dead body disposal means हम शव विनाश विधि अपनाते क्यों हैं या क्या रोल है डेड बॉडी डिस्पोजल का. तो first of all, to prevent the transmission of infection. Second one is reduce the psychological and mental impact our life, and third one and important also one among the Sodas Sanskar, which is called as Antyeshti Sanskar. Then ancient method of disposal of dead body. First is cutest form and second one is fairest method. In the cutest form, guania is follow the flow of dead body in sea or river, and in Russia fed to dogs means animals को खाने के लिए दिया जाता है dead body material. Then in fair methods, Tibetan follows the uh, wooden planks or covered the dead body by wooden planks and burn it. Then Parsis follow the dumping the dead body in pit over which rounded tower constructed and which is called as Tower of Silence. Then in Egypt, dead body along with the materials which have been utilized throughout his or her lifetime are dumped in pyramids. Third one is religious dignities. In the religious dignities, mummification example is suitable. Next heading is classification of dead body. First one is burning or cremation. Then second one is burial method. In the cremation method, at the time of ancient, uh, things are required that first of all place selection, then second one is requirements, third one is preparation of dead body, and last one is preparation of place, and last one cremation also followed by in ancient method, uh, that have advantage, which in which reduction of whole body within 3 to 8 hours, and second one is elimination of causes. uh, this burning method also has disadvantage. First one is consumption of fuel and food wood. Second one is air pollution. Third one is improper burning of body parts, that is later thrown in sea and area, and it also complete destroy the body or identity, which is important as forensic point of view. Second one is modern method of burning. uh, it requires registration room. uh, in the registration room, we required data is that age, selection, religious of dead body person. Next one is cause of death also required, death certificates verification also required. Next, furnace also, uh, in proper data it's also required, and in requirements required electric current, temperature 3000 degree Fahrenheit, and ash appeared or made flow in the river. It also have some advantage and disadvantage also. First we discuss about advantage. Less space required. Second one is ash within the half an hour, and third one is provides required temperature to destroy all contagious. and its disadvantage is consume more current. Second one is harsh interfere with burning, and third one is complete destroy the identity. In the next method of earth burial, first point is selection of land, which type of soil is present there. Then second one is suitable land, how house lands are present. Then third point is preparation of burial pit. uh, it's required 3 to 5 feet depth and 6 to 7 feet length. uh, in the last, Hindus and Islamists prefer direct burial, and Christians prefer coffins. It's all about dead body disposal in the short period. For further detail, please go through the e-notes and refer the book. Thanks.